January, Los Angeles was devastated by wildfires.
Driving through the fire zone, seeing all the houses along the ocean that were just gone, it was jarring really to see it.
As many stepped in to help across LA, the fearless dreamers at Direct Relief, the global aid organization that assists first responders, joined the fight to rebuild and restore the community right in their own backyard.
The best thing that we can do is to listen to what is needed for that moment.
That's all for you.
We were able to
Offer a sense of hope, a way to wrap their heads around rebuilding dreams for the future.
They're like an angel, someone that suddenly appears at the moment that you need them. That was Direct Relief.
I get to go to bed every night and say the work was meaningful. That's such a privilege.
There's nothing more important that you can give to someone than giving them hope. And that's what Direct Relief does. We give people hope that they can restore their dreams.
Time and American Family Insurance honor Direct Relief and all the fearless dreamers working tirelessly to restore dreams.